Can you use the ChatGPT for writing a research paper? I'm into the medical background, and anyone from the medical background and from the healthcare, by till now, when we are talking that majority of the reputed journals, they have the instructions now on use of AI, and most of it is that you can only use it for just language editing and polishing your already written manuscript. But to say that you are writing a whole paper with the AI, whether be it a ChatGPT or any other tool, and publishing it is, it is highly prohibited. It is not accepted, and all the major uh, plagiarism tools like Turnitin, Authenticate, Grammarly, and there are many now. There are separate AI detectors. So all these plagiarism detectors that previously only detected your plagiarism, now they detect the AI score as well. So if you're writing a paper 100% from the AI and sending it to publication, within seconds, there are journals and any organization, it's just going to run it obviously on Turnitin before moving on, and it is going to show 100% AI. So it's not going to accept it. Recently, a paper circulated, was from social sciences, that was written through ChatGPT, and it has mistakes, but it got published. But listen, that was from the social sciences. We as doctors, we as clinicians, and anyone from the healthcare background and talking on healthcare, the ultimately you are dealing with the human lives and human health. So it's the sole responsibility of you, the submitting author, the publishing author, anyone who publishes anything. It is their responsibility. Understand one thing, that AI is not a responsible entity. AI has no responsibility. The responsibility lies on the shoulders of one who publishes something, writes something, or codes something. So, whenever you would use any GPT or any AI, they'll say that we are not responsible. Yes, what AI has done in every sort of life, be it a healthcare, be it a social sciences, and other things, they have made the life easy. They have just saved your times, they have saved your energy, they have made the things quicker for you. So you can use them in enormous ways to make your life easy, to save your time. But it is not currently, option to just write a whole paper from any AI and just submit is not going to be accepted at all, as far as the healthcare background.